Alright, in this video we're looking at example 2. We're going to complete part B. We're looking at simplifying radicals using prime factorization and factor trees. So let's go ahead and do our factor tree over here. So here's my 48, and really all I need are two numbers that multiply to 48, and we'll eventually get to the prime factors. So 48 is 6 times 8. And neither of these are prime numbers, so I'm going to keep going. So then I have 6 is 2 times 3. So these are prime numbers, so I'm going to highlight those that we're done with those. You could circle them if you like. And then 8 is 2 times 4. So 2 is a prime number, so let's highlight that. And then 4 is 2 times 2. So again, we have some prime numbers. So the square root of 48, if I break it down into its prime factors, so prime numbers that multiply to get 48, I'm going to have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 4 2s and a 3. And then, if you recall, what we're going to do is we're going to pair these up. So I'm going to take these two and give them their own radical. And I'm going to take these two and give them their own radical, and the 3 is going to stay by itself because it doesn't match up with anything. So that's the square root of 2 times 2, and another square root of 2 times 2, and then this lone square root of 3. Now this square root of 2 times 2, that's 4 on the inside, so the square root of 4 is 2, so this whole thing becomes 2. And then this is 4 also underneath that square root, so square root of 4 again is 2, so that's times 2, so that's another 2. So you see, anytime I have the square root of two numbers multiplied by each other, the same number multiplied by itself, it simplifies to just that number. So square root of 4 becomes 2, square root of 4 becomes 2, and then I just have a square root of 3 left over. Any numbers outside radicals we multiply, anything underneath the radical we multiply. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have the root 3. So again, if you wanted to check, plug in square root of 48 on your calculator, plug in 4 root 3 on your calculator, and you can verify that they are in fact the same. Alright, so that's it for this video. Again, if you need to rewatch, feel free to rewatch. If you have questions, make sure you get those answered. You're absolutely going to have to be able to simplify radicals to be successful in this unit. And we'll see you next time.